Open natin ba one by one games sa kung ano malaman. Let's start. Itong small one na ito, tingnan natin. Ayan, slice na natin. And voila! Wow! This is, wow! Sa Furumi keychain. Pomporie daw, bapalan yan. Tas yan. And this one. And this one. Dalawang ganito tinigay. Okay, so this is my first pouch. Alright, let's go to the second one. That's nothing then. Let's open. Open the wow, what is this? Okay. This is Bechin and Majisara. So, this is my second one. Okay, let's open for the third box. The other stories, no video naman. Okay, sure. So this one, no video, no return exchange. So, just a video. Open natin dito. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's open to the other side, guys. Oy, mini fan. Oh, mana video. Really song. Alright. Let's open like so. Wow.
Wow.
And this one. Ta-da! Oh wow, look at this, guys. Look at it. So this one we have homey pants. It's 2 black, 3 blacks, 4 black, 2 blue, and 2 red. Complete that, and we have 2 like surprise. Wow, this one. It's a razor. Miss, wow. It's a very inside. I have kitten here. It's cinnamon roll cinema. Hello, Kitty. This one, very cute, huh? Basketball keychain, football keychain. What's this? Baseball and Pampuri. Cute. And of course, Kurumi. Yeah. And 1 piece of correction pens. And this is set of correction pens. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.